I'm Jack Mills, VP of IT and Data Strategy at Eastern Autoparts. We're trying to be as efficient as we can in anything we do, whether it's distribution, warehousing, back-end operations from accounts receivable all the way through to pricing. We've been on Autopart for 10 years, thereabouts, and we were on Epicor's Ultimate before. Biggest reason was an SQL backend and the flexibility to do what we needed to, moving to a modern product rather than being on something that was ancient. With being on SQL, we can pull in whatever we want from other sources. So we pull in things that are further apart from Autopart. So we pull in payroll information, we integrate seamlessly to Elite Extra through SQL. We build our own reporting, BI. It just lets us do more easier because we've got access. There's things that are promising that's coming. We're really excited for Klipboard Money. The amount of time we're going to save on payment allocation is going to be crazy. Yeah. Like today, it's 4 people almost all day long applying payments. Yeah. And in theory, that goes to nothing. Yeah. It just becomes checking the odd errors here and there. So yeah, we're really excited for that. That it's on a Windows platform, that we're not running through an emulator like a lot of competition is. The fact that it's on-premise or available rather than through a web browser where we might have connectivity issues, that really helps the store operations where we might have the internet drop, but we can still operate internally. Yeah, we're always looking at pick times, how quickly we can get the part out the door from when a customer orders it to us pulling it to getting it out, as well as delivery metrics, but they're the repetitive internal operation metrics that we're looking at. And then we're looking at obviously sales metrics on top. Yeah, a lot of the efficiencies around, from a warehouse point of view, because we run all the stores through full WMS, being able to inventory the warehouse based on part and bin location so that everything is a smooth flow. We'll have multiple orders come in. One person can walk through a small warehouse and grab the parts. So the flow is efficient. We can collect multiple orders and then break them out at the end. So it's just a smoother operation from getting the parts out the door.